Struggling with wrinkled clothes that ruin your look? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, High Life Blue Steamer. Let's kick things off with the High Life Steamer for clothes. Priced at just $24.98, this little powerhouse caught my attention because of its 240 milliliter capacity and 700 watts of steaming power. If you want a reliable and portable steamer, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider the High Life? This steamer generates a long-lasting steam that can tackle even the toughest wrinkles. With its 9-foot power cord, you can easily maneuver around your clothes without feeling tethered to an outlet. Plus, that 240 milliliter tank gives you up to 15 minutes of continuous steam, which is perfect for quick touch-ups before you head out. It works on various fabrics too, from chiffon to wool, making it versatile for all your wardrobe needs. With over 20,000 sold last month, it's clear people are loving it. Now, here's the thing. Some users pointed out that the steamer can leak if overfilled or tilted too much. I get it, that can be frustrating, especially when you're in a rush. But honestly, as long as you follow the fill line and use it properly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a compact and budget-friendly steamer for home or travel. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger water tank for extended steaming sessions. Overall, it offers great value for the price. Now, if the High Life's potential leaking bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its high power. Product number 2, Conair Turbo Extreme Steam. The Conair Turbo Extreme Steam, priced at $59.98, with a whopping 1,875 watts of power, this model caught my eye for its turbo steam feature that promises quick wrinkle removal. If you want serious steaming power, this is definitely worth considering. The standout feature of the Conair is its rapid 40-second heat-up time and a 7.3-ounce water tank that allows for up to 20 minutes of continuous steam. That means you can easily smooth out wrinkles on shirts or even upholstery without any hassle. The included attachments, a silicone band, delicate fabric spacer, and bristle brush, really help penetrate the fibers and ensure a perfect press. With the Good Housekeeping seal backing it up, you know you're getting quality. However, some users mention that it's a bit heavier than expected at 2.27 pounds, which can be tiring during long sessions. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for heavy-duty performance, the weight is a small trade-off for the power you get. This is ideal for you if you're someone who regularly needs to iron out heavy fabrics or upholstery. Skip it if you're looking for a super lightweight model for quick touch-ups. For the features it offers, it's pretty reasonably priced. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for travelers looking for convenience. Product number 3, High Life Black Steamer. Coming in at $24.56, we have another High Life model, this time in sleek black. With similar specs to its blue counterpart, this one also features 700 watts of power and a hefty 240 milliliter tank. If you prefer a different look, this is worth a serious look. This steamer boasts an 8.5-foot power cord, making it easy to navigate while you steam. Like the previous model, it provides up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming, which is great for quick fixes. And it works on various fabrics, so whether you're dealing with delicate silk or robust cotton, it has you covered. What's impressive is that it has already sold over 10,000 units just last month, proving its popularity. But I did find some feedback about the need for careful handling to avoid burns from the hot steam. Here's the thing, if you're cautious and follow the instructions, this shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, portable option for home or travel. Skip this if you need something with extra features or higher wattage. It's a solid choice for the price, especially for a compact steamer. Now, if you're after something that really packs a punch in terms of functionality, the next option is a total game changer. Product number 4, the Niaso Travel Steamer. The Niaso Portable Travel Steamer is priced at $27.90. This one really caught my attention with its 1200 watt power and rapid 10-second heat-up time. If you want something that can handle travel and regular use, keep watching. The Niaso is designed for on-the-go lifestyles. It features a 150 milliliter water tank and 3 adjustable steam levels, so you can tailor the steam output for different fabrics. The intelligent LCD display is a nice touch, showing you everything from the mode to a water shortage alert. It even functions as both a steamer and an iron, which adds convenience. With its 180-degree swivel handle, you'll find it easy to reach tricky spots, making it great for those last-minute touch-ups. However, some users have reported that it can lose steam after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, for travel purposes and quick fixes, that's something to keep in mind, but it's not a deal breaker if you're using it as intended. This is ideal for you if you travel frequently and need a versatile tool that's easy to pack. Skip this if you want something strictly for home use and heavy-duty steaming. For the price, it's a fantastic travel companion. Now, if you're looking for something that adapts to international travel, the last product on our list is just what you need. Product number 5. Jack & Rose Travel Steamer. Priced at $59.99, what sets this one apart is its ability to work with both 100V and 220V, making it perfect for international travel. If you want a steamer that's truly travel-friendly, this is worth a look. This steamer heats up in just 15 seconds and offers high-velocity steam at 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which is powerful enough to tackle stubborn wrinkles. The 5-ounce water tank allows for quick steaming sessions, and the added dry ironing feature is fantastic for delicate fabrics. With its compact size and included travel bag, you can easily slip it into your luggage. But some users found the water tank to be a bit small, meaning it requires more frequent refills. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily for travel, those quick refills shouldn't be a huge hassle. This is perfect for you if you travel internationally and want a reliable steamer that adapts to different voltages. Skip this if you need something for heavy home use steaming. Considering its features, it's reasonably priced for what you get. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's wrap it up with a quick comparison and my personal recommendation. The High Life Blue and Black models are great budget options for portability, while the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam offers serious power for home use. The Nyaso is perfect for travelers needing versatility, and the Jack & Rose is fantastic for international trips. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam because of its powerful performance and reliability. I'd avoid the High Life models if you're worried about potential leaks.